China Academic Journal, CAJ, is the largest continuously updated Chinese journal database in the world, with more than 10,000 academic journals published. CAJ covers science, engineering, technology, agriculture, philosophy, medicine, humanities, social sciences, and more. The database includes content back to 1915 and more than 60 million journal articles. Anyone can search or browse CAJ and see citation information. However, full text download is limited to subscribed content. While the interface is available in English, article and citation content are provided in English if supplied by the author or journal. To browse CAJ, click on Journal Navigation to start. In Journal Navigation, users can browse by a variety of factors. See these factors along the left side navigation panel. First, by subject. These are CNKI's categories of 10 subject series. Users can also navigate CAJ by looking at Journal Source, or, as demonstrated here, Sponsor. Users can also browse the content by navigating and, as demonstrated, place of publication. Users may also navigate CAJ by core journal. Go to the search box to enter the journal title. Users can also search for specific journals by title, English or Chinese, or ISSN. Journal pages include details like the journal's sponsor, years of publications, and by selecting the statistics and evaluation link, the publishing trend. First, a basic search is the fastest method. Users may simply enter a term into a single search box. The characteristics of search items determine how results are found. With advanced search, there are multiple search options such as subject, full text author, publication source, fund, and author's institution. Searches can include up to 10 terms, all of which can be used as precise or fuzzy search terms. For full text and abstract searches, users can specify the frequency of the search term. The frequency count will limit results to only those with multiple search term appearances. After conducting an advanced search, the search bar is minimized. Users can click the arrow to expand it and edit the search. Users can use sentence search to check for two search terms in the vicinity of one another. The author search operates like the advanced search, but is automatically formatted for searching an author's name and institutional affiliation. Professional search can be used to create complex custom search strings to receive accurate results. Users can also save search strings for future use. Use guidance on the right for how to create search strings. CAJ's search results include both English language documents and Chinese language documents, which are found through the default cross-language search. CAJ results are found by clicking Chinese. Search results discoverable through CAJ but not accessible through CAJ can be found through the partner. Search range shows what database you are currently searching. Blue arrow shows subscribed content with available full text. Users can sort search results in terms of publication date, relevance, citation counts, and download counts as needed. Search results can be displayed in detail mode or list mode. Further refine results by entering search terms and clicking Search within search results, and the search criteria will appear above. Export selector references to endnotes or custom define. Visual analysis results are produced using citation data from articles. Results include the publication trend, journal distribution, discipline distribution, author distribution, affiliate distribution, and fund distribution. Visualization results can be presented as columns or pie charts. You can click on a search term to see a citation trend for that particular term. CAJ provides online first, which allows access to articles before they are available in print. Also, enhanced publishing, which gives users access to an article's supporting materials such as manuscript versions, data tables, images, and more. Click on an article's title to navigate to its page. An article's page includes its title, authors, abstract, keywords, series, subject, and table of contents. An article's page is where users can download a PDF file or read the HTML version online. The page also includes a subject tree, providing researchers with other relevant search terms and a citation network reflecting the relevance of the selected article and other related articles. The citation network also contains a list of the article's references, providing easy navigation. Let's take a look at an example of an article in HTML view. PDF documents should be opened with a PDF viewing software, such as Adobe Acrobat. Click on Help Center for the complete user guide and FAQ section. We hope this tutorial has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please contact Eastview at info@eastview.com.